In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moon cycles in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get those lunar phases showing right on your charts. This is really helpful if you like combining technical analysis with timing tools, or if you simply want more visual context around market cycles. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any chart and any time frame will work, so just pick the market you usually analyze. Once your chart is up, move your eyes to the top of the screen and look for the Indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar, above the price action. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window where you can search for all the built-in tools TradingView offers. When that window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so you can start typing. The search box is the fastest way to find specific indicators without scrolling through a long list. Now in that search box, type the phrase moon cycles. As you type, TradingView will filter the list below in real time. You should start seeing results related to moon phases or moon cycles. Look for the built-in version labeled clearly so you know you are using the official one and not a random community script. Once you see moon cycles appear in the list, click it once. As soon as you do, the window will close and the indicator will be applied to your chart automatically. Take a moment to look at your chart now. You should see visual markers indicating different moon phases laid over the price action. Depending on the default settings, these might appear as symbols, shaded areas, or icons at the top or bottom of your chart. If you want to customize how it looks, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top left of the chart, click the settings icon and adjust colors, visibility, or specific phases you want to highlight. This is optional, but it can make the chart easier to read and more aligned with your personal style. Finally, if you are not on TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more features, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel and may give you a discounted trial or offer, depending on what TradingView has available at the moment. That's all you need to add moon cycles in TradingView Pro and start incorporating lunar data into your trading analysis.